The FKJGP Khliehriat Circle strongly condemns the vicious assault by Training Phawa on Mocky Lyngdoh, the headman of Tiber, Kmai, Chnong, and Denis Lyngdoh, who is the secretary of the IVCS, chairman of Seinraij, Tiber, Kmai, Chnong. This occurred during the attempt to resolve an incident on the morning of January 3, 2024. Unfortunately, upon arrival, they were attacked with an axe by Training Phawa, resulting in injuries. Subsequently, both victims were initially treated at the civil hospital Ïalong and later moved to a private hospital in Shillong. An FIR was filed by the headman's brother, Denis Lyngdoh, on 4th January 2024. It is noteworthy that the assailant, Training Phawa, is presently on interim bail scheduled to conclude on the 12th of January 2024. The FKJGP Khliehriat Circle urges upon the public prosecutor to enforce strict legal measures to prevent the release of Training Phawa, as it could potentially set a negative precedent for others.